My tomorrow must be greater than today.
Here comes another powerful experience. Ekpere nwere onwe, umueze Anam, Kadosh Ground presents Enough is Enough 2023 4th edition, as we also celebrate 1st anniversary special Thanksgiving service of Ekpere nwere onwe in umueze Anam.
Team.
Be fruitful, the siege is over.
Tagged.
The Father's blessing. Be fruitful.
Date.
10th to 14th of June 2023.
Time.
6:30 p.m. daily.
Venue.
Kadosh Ground, umueze Anam, St. John's Anglican Church compound.
Ministering are
Pastor Ndubisi Okonkwo, Ozioma Udechukwu, Favor Ezejiofo, Pastor Hilary Udechukwu, Pastor Obinna Ezim, Pastor Nnemeka Onyebuchi, Ordinand Stephen Obiora, Reverend Victor Ezejiofo, Ord Dike Nzubechukwu, the convener, Venerable Sam Obiora, Archdeacon, umueze Anam Archdeaconry, Right Reverend Obiora Uzochukwu, Bishop, Diocese of Mbamili.
also ministering are
Kadosh Choir, Venerable Richard Adebite, Reverend Felix Nwoke, Ordinand Christian Anomali, Pastor Samuel Chikolu, Pastor Emmanuel Chibata, the Purpose Choir,
and host of other ministers. Special daily features are
Midnight Cry at 12 a.m. There will be free feeding and accommodation. For more inquiries, call
0803 784 2504.
Hebrews 12 verse 8. Jesus Christ the same yesterday, today, and forever.
Come and be blessed. Jesus Christ is Lord.
My tomorrow